start with the exercise 6.3 question number 16. So that the tangent to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the point x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. Is it? When they have said that these two tangent are parallel, when they are parallel, when the slopes are equal. If the slopes are equal, then we can say parallel. What is the meaning of parallel? Means slopes are equal. So how will get the slope? dy by dx, and we have to substitute and see that x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2. If the value comes equal, then it is proved that at point we have to show, and then it is proved that the slopes, this slope at a point 2 and minus 2 are parallel. So parallel means you have to understand when things slopes are equal. Is it? But here the point is given and slope is what? dy by dx. So you have to take x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, and then if the value comes equal, then we can say that the slopes are parallel. So let's say both the tangents are parallel to the curve. Is it? So the slope of both the curves are equal. Hence we have to show that the slopes are equal. So dy by dx, you take 21, 7 3s are 21, this is constant, so 7 3s are 21, 21 x square, x is equal to 2, if you substitute you will get 84, and x is equal to minus 2, then also you will get 84. It means that the slopes are equal, means dy by dx, x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 2, minus 2 is equal to dy by dx at x is equal to 2. Hence the slopes are equal. The slopes are equal means it is proved that the slopes are, that is, the lines are parallel. So let's start with question number 17. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of tangent means dy by dx is equal to y coordinate. What y coordinate means? Y is already given, y is equal to cube. So y is equal to x cube will be, or y is equal to x cube will be equal to slope of tangent means dy by dx. Is it? So here slope of tangent is equal to y coordinate of point. What is a substitute, or first find what is dy by dx? Dy by dx, or we can say that this invert dy by dx is equal to y. Slope of tangent means dy by dx, and y coordinate is y here. Is it? Y coordinate is y. So dy by dx is equal to y. So if you take dy by dx, what you get? 3x square. Y is what? X cube. Is it? Don't cancel it like this. Otherwise what will get? One value only. X is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 3. Is it? X is equal to 3. So don't do that. We want two values. So take it inside and then take common. Huh? Don't cancel it like this. Okay. Take it inside, so it will be minus. Then take common, is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Is it? So substitute in y. When x is equal to 0, y is also 0. When x is equal to 3, y is 27. So the point R, is it? The point R 0, 0 and 3, 27. So for the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. A curve is there, you can say that the curve like this. Is it? Okay. Is it? A tangent, this is origin, tangent is passing through the origin. Where it touch? Here. This point and this point you have to find out. Is it? This is a curve which is touching at origin and the tangent is passing through the origin. So what you have to find? Find all the point at which the tangent passes through origin. It is passes through origin and the tangent, and this point it is on the curve, this is point on the curve, so this tangent passes through origin. So this point and this point you have to find. Means to say that what will do? You have to find first dy by dx. Is it? And what will be the equation? This is the line. We have to find what is the equation of the tangent or equation of the line. Is it? Once we get, because the point is on the line, so x and y we have to find it. Okay, we have to find first x. To get any point, we must get dy by dx. That is the first funda. Is it? Second is that we have to equate it to get the value of x, and then if you have to substitute, find out the value of n and substitute in y, so you'll get a point. This is the way only method is there to find out. So to have that, we must have two line equation of the curve and equation of the line. That's it. So this line, so we must find what is the equation of the line. Okay, understand? So first you find derivative. What is dy slope? Is it slope? Dy by dx, and we know the equation of the line passing through origin. So equation of the line passing through the origin is y is equal to mx, not c. Here c is 0, no intercept. Is it? So the equation of the line passing through origin is y is equal to mx, but m is what? Dy by dx. So substitute that. Okay, understand? Then after substituting, substitute y also. Y is what? This value. Is it? Equating this, solving this, you will get a value of x, and if you get the value of x, substitute in this. Is it? Again, to find any point, what do we need? We need two equations. One, the equation of the curve is already given, so you have to find the equation of the line. Is it? When we equate this, then we'll get it. Now we know that the equation of the line passing through the origin, equation of the line passing through the origin is y is equal to mx. Derivative we already found, dy by dx. We can substitute this and substitute the value of y which is given here. Is it? So see, the slope of the tangent to the curve and the slope of the tangent passing through origin are same. Is it? Okay. What we say, since the slope of a tangent of the curve and the slope of tangent passing through the origin is same, therefore we can substitute y is equal to mx. You substitute there. Is it? Okay. Here y is equal to mx, m you know what is dy by dx. Is it? Substitute the value of y, and if you simplify, you'll get, you don't have to cancel this, 5 and 3, minus 8 you can cancel, but you cannot cancel x cube and x5 and x square is equal to 0. No, not like this. You have to take 8 you can cut, then take on this side, take common and equate it to 0. Is it? So x cube minus x raised to 5 is equal to 0. So x cube you take common, so 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So x cube is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 and x is equal to x square is equal to 1. Then x is equal to plus minus 1. Is it? So substitute. Now we know that whenever we want to find the point, we have to find first x and then substitute the value in y equation. Is it? Original equation of y. If we substitute y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, is it? Which equation? This one. This equation. Substitute the value of x 0 minus 1 plus 1. You will get the y value. When x is equal to 0, y is 0, 0. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. So point of minus 1. From this, as we know from this figure, see here, when the line is passing through this, it is intersecting at 2 points. It will not intersect more than 2 points. But what point we got? We got 3.123. We got 3.123. Is it? So from this, any 2 points will be satisfying the equation. Which equation? The original equation. Substitute in this equation 0, 0. So x is equal to 0. If we substitute x is equal to 0, y also becomes 0. So it is satisfied. Here 1, 2. Then x is equal to 2. Then minus 2. Okay. This is also satisfied. X is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 2. Is it? Y is equal to 2, 2. You get 2. This is also satisfied. Y is equal to 2. Is it? Now substitute this point, LHS and RHS. They are not equal. Is it? Okay. This is also become equal. Yes, it become also equal. So the point at which the tangent passes through the origin are 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Find the point on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 at which tangent are parallel to axis. Whenever one hint is given, we have to find the point. Equation is given. Okay, when what we get here, tangent are parallel to x-axis means what? Slope is dy by dx is 0. When the tangent is parallel to x, anything parallel to x-axis means slope is 0. So first thing, we'll find the slope and equate it to 0, and we'll get a value of x. And if we get a value of x, if we substitute here, we'll get the value of y. Is it? Then we'll get a point. Is it? This is a funda we always do. Whenever we have to find the point, what we have to see? What condition is given? Slope, and where you have to substitute the slope. First we have to try to find out the value of x, substitute the value of x in the equation and get the value of y. So you'll get the point. Is it? So here it is parallel to x-axis, it is given, means dy by dx is equal to 0. From there we'll get a value of x. After getting the value of x, you have to substitute in y. Is it clear? Dy by dx, if you take dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x upon y. Is it? Since the tangent are parallel to x-axis, the slope of tangent is 0, so this is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. Got it? X is equal to 1, then you substitute the value, y is equal to plus minus 2. So the point are 1 plus minus 2, or we can write 1 2 and 1 minus 2. Find the equation of the normal at the point am square am cube for the curve. This normal means you have to find dy by dx, inverse it and then multiply with minus 1, will get the this one, and point is already given. Okay, what is the equation we have to? Y minus y1 is equal to x m x minus x1. So it is x1 x and y is given. Got it? Here y1 and x1 is given. Is it? What we have? Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So x1 and y1 is given. Only we have to find slope, but since we have to find the equation of normal dy by dx, after finding dy by dx we have to inverse it and multiply with minus 1. Is it? Then we'll get it. So a y square is equal to x cube. If we take derivative, then we will get a value of dy by dx at point. Point is given. At point am square comma am cube, you will get 3 by 2m. So slope of tangent is 3 by 2m, and if we inverse it, we'll get a and multiply with minus 1, then we'll get a slope of normal. So slope of normal is 2 upon 3m. Minus 2 upon 3m is equal to minus 2 upon 3m. So the equation of the normal passing through the point am square comma am cube having a slope minus 2 upon 3m is, this is substitute y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Substitute in this equation and see. This is important question. Find the equation of the normal to the curve. Is it? To the curve. So first understand that this is the curve and the normal is here. We are not talking about the tangent. Tangent passes through here. This is the tangent. Okay, but we are talking about the normal. So normal is this. Is it? So we have to find dy by dx and find the slope of normal by multiplying inverse and multiplying this. You will get a slope of normal. Is it? After finding slope of normal, but second condition is that which is parallel to this line, which is parallel. So this line, required line, we have to find the required line is parallel to the given line. It means that if they are parallel, means slopes are equal. So slope of this line and slope of the required line is equal. So we can get the slope of the required line. How we can get the slope of required normal line? By finding the slope of this equation. Okay, understand once again the question. What we have to find? The equation of the normal. Equation, if they only ask equation of normal, then it is very easy. Is it? What we have to find dy by dx, inverse it and multiply with minus 1, will get slope, but also need a point, 2 point, then we can get equation. But instead of giving 2 point, they given that equation of the line required line is parallel to the given line, this line. Is it? If they parallel means slope of this, you can get it from here, and we can get the slope from here, and both are equal. So we'll get some value of x, is it? Anyway, we have to equate it to get x, and then if you substitute in the required equation, got it? In given equation, if you substitute, you will get a value of y, and then we can get what? The equation of the normal. That is simple, is it? So this is given parallel, so indirectly it is given the slope of the required line and slope of the given line are equal, is it? Take dy by dx from here, equate this since they are equal. Okay, since they are parallel, so slopes are equal. So dy by dx here, and this, if you take the slope of this quadratic equation, slope of quadratic equation is what? Minus a upon b. A is what? 1. So minus 1, and b is 14. So minus 1 by 14. So which will be also be the slope of required normal line. Is it? Normal, equation of normal. And equation of normal also can be found from the equation of the curve. Is it? And both are the same. Both will be equal. So from there we will get a value of x. After finding the value of x, you have to get the value of y. And after finding the value of x and y, if you substitute in the equation, y minus y1 is equal to x minus x1, then we will get it. So let's see here. So first what we will say here, y is equal to x cube plus 3x, y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, derivative with respect to x. If we take derivative with respect to x, we get the slope of normal as minus 1 upon whole. This is whole, like this I have written, oblique. So minus 1, is it? Sorry, minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2. This is it. But the slope of the required line is parallel to the slope of this. And what is the slope of this quadratic equation? It is a quadratic equation. No, x plus 1, linear equation. So slope of a linear equation is minus a upon b. So it is minus 1 upon 14. Okay, is it? So slope of required line is minus 1 upon 14. So this is also slope of the required line. So let it equate these two. Is it? So if we equate these two, what you get? You get x is equal to plus minus 2. Is it? If we substitute in the equation, okay, what is the equation? Given equation, x cube plus 2x plus 6. Not this equation, this equation. Required equation of the curve. If you get equation of the curve, in that if you substitute the value of x, you will get a value of y, and then you can find out the value of, you can get the value of two equation. You can get the value of x and y, and then substitute in this, and you can get the two equation.